died. No, this isn't funny anymore. Hi, I'm Avram Hilu. I'm going to yeshiva.
I've been waiting for literally 30 minutes. I'm taking you home today. Let's go.
Oh, I'd rather walk. No, it's really okay. Like, we're gonna walk. You don't have a ride. We're gonna walk. Oh, go walk.
Okay. Bye.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
What do you think you're doing? You're like completely out of dress code. The hat, the sweater, that's like 2 colors. Your shoes, your pants are like, no, sorry. You have to go change.
Can I wear it for 1 period?
You have to go change.
10 minutes?
You have to go change.
Okay. Sorry.
Don't do it again, or you're gonna get a referral.
Sounds like a party.
What's the answer?
What? There's school today? I think I should go back to England.
You're a mean one, Miss.
Il est l'heure, fini l'heure de danser. Danse, t'inquiète pas.
Yo, guys, do you guys want to invest on this watch?
Nope.
Dude, it's $75.
I got a Rolex. You're tripping.
It's too poor.
What's Rolex?
Yeah.
Nothing. Dude, it's $75. It's
don't
made in
know.
Europe. Dude, it's made in
Money
Europe.
does not grow on trees.
Dude, but
Money doesn't grow on
dude, it's so good. It's $75. You guys are all cheap Jews. Why can't you just invest in my watch company? I'm going out of business.
You're a very bad.
Whose life am I going to ruin this week?
Yosef! Disney boy! What did Caroline have for lunch today? Maybe Daddy Max Nahon still the Day Harbor hero with his $2 fine? Miss Constantine, I don't know. Ah!
Stop doing that! You scared me all the time!
Second. If Jews are Jewish and Jesus was Jewish, does that mean Jews are Jesus?
Bro, what kind of stupid question?
Why is
Why am I friends with all these idiots? Oh, Sarah, what are you doing?
I am so mad. Do you see this?
Yeah.
This school is so sexist. They discriminate against us. What did they do for Women's Day? Nothing. I can't deal with this. I'm over it. There, gender neutral. Much better.
Yo, Don, what's up? What did you do? How was your vacation, man?
It was good. How was yours?
It was swell. How was yours?
I mean, it was good until I came back from school today. Everyone was just attacking me. Like, I came into math class and like all these teachers are like, "Yo, you gotta know the formulas for this problem." And, like I don't understand how you want me to know all the 45 presidents and like to put the particles and know all the formulas for that. Like that was just impossible. I had to learn all these morals and all these. I don't even know. Like it's too long to even like explain. But
Yeah.
I have to go. I'm in a rush. I have to go pick up Essence from across the street.
Oh, dude, say hi to Miss Lucero for me.
I will.
Alright.
Les filles là, ils sont très belles. This one is gorgeous. No, this one. I want that one.
Ezra.
I don't understand how you solve for X.
It's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
I'll try.
Okay. Eliza.
I don't know why boys and girls are not treated the same way.
Malka, hey! Hi! Malka is just so nice.
I'm not. I don't know why you keep saying that. I'm not that nice.
X gon' give it to you. Wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to you. Knock, knock, open up the door.
They should know the real me.
Stop, pop out, I'm stainless steel.
Hey, so Rabbi, I heard you're some big shot wrestler back in the day.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah, I wonder what happened. I don't know. I heard you're pretty good.
I was.
I bet I could take you down.
Nah, you should try Sam Kanan first.
No, Sam Kanan. Sam Kanan's ugly.
Oh boy!
Yo, what up, Don? What's up? You it smells like.
Yeah, I did. Already? Whoa.
Rachel? Hello? I'm coming right on, come.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I failed. Like, it really doesn't matter. It's not
That
big. Hey, Adam.
Hey. Yeah, so I don't know.
It's fine.
Just a little bit. This class is so hard.
I know, like, why are we learning about, like, the American Revolution? Like, who cares? That happened, like,
I have to pee so bad. Sorry, Evan.
Dude, you throw like a girl.
Really? You guys should all come this weekend. It's gonna be crazy. Free drinks, free food, lots of other kids, even older boys. These things get wild.
What are you talking about?
The poetry slam this weekend.
Hey, my name is Danny. What's your name?
Hi,
Oh, do you believe in God?
Yeah, I do believe in God.
What school do you go to?
Hebrew.
Oh wait, do you think God is good or evil?
I think he's good mostly, yeah.
What grade are you in? Wait, do you think it's good that God created the world or not?
Yeah, it's definitely a good thing. I mean, we wouldn't be here.
Do you want to go out tonight?
Yeah.
Wait,
I mean,
are you Chabad?
No.
Oh, then never mind.
What just happened?
I find your lack of faith disturbing.
I always knew the good would triumph evil.
Julia, you're always eating so healthy. I'm so proud of you.
Gotta stay in optimum shape for swimming. Tila, where's your lunch? Oh, here. Do you have apple
Julia,
pie?
no. Julia.
Waffles? I'm just looking. I'm
No.
just looking.
No, Julia.
Hey. For real. Yo, man, $5 if you do.
Nah.
Come on, bro. Come on.
Bro, we're
It's
paying
not that hard. $5 each.
Fine. Let me stretch it.
Two hours later.
Alright, Matthew, let's go. Yo, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
On your leg?
I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Bro, he texted me. I think I broke my leg. I think he broke his leg.
Hey, yo, Matt. All right, so we're gonna have a party on Memchov Kislev in honor of the Rebbe's 6th wife's birthday. It's gonna be on the corner. It's gonna be on the corner of East Broadway Drive for Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. So please show up accordingly, and I'll see you then. Hey, what's up, man?
Wait, you got the stuff?
Yeah, I got the Twizzlers. Oh, what up, Don? You eat fart? It smells like croissants.
Yeah, I did. Already?
You're a very bad businessman. If you antagonize us, what makes us want to buy your watch?
You're a cheap Jew.
Alright, so why should I buy your watch?
You're Ashkenaz.
You smell like a filter fish.
You're a filter fish.
You look like a filter fish.
No, I can't do it.
Look at your nose, man. Nobody pulls the door. One second. Can we make this walking to school? You don't pull the door. You push it.
Why the hell are we discussing this?
Yes, you.
I pull it.
I gotta go.
Dude, it's $75.
I can't afford that. It's super. I can't afford that. It's super.
I don't think so.
Bet.
I don't think
Alright,
so.
I'm gonna come at you.
I don't think so. You're not gonna do it. You're not gonna do it. You're not gonna do it.
Oh boy.
Wait, I said Noah.
God. Dang it.
Don, my boy. What it do, my Was I allowed to say
Nope.
Alright, let's
Nope.
go back.
Delete that.
Hey, what's up, Aaron?
Okay, it's just so nice. I'm not so nice. Sorry, I don't know what you're talking about. No, he can't.
Come then.
How you doing, girl?
Okay, now
Hey, girl. My name's Daddy.
What's your name?
Oh.
Hi. Does she have a line?
Ariella.
Yeah, right.
Why is it worth that much?
Because it's a really good watch.
Stop talking.
You just cursed in the thing. You're fake cursed. I have to do it again. Don't.
Hey, Harbor Hero with his $2 fine.